Perfect.
Back to those days. I was running in one place. Set a pace. Feel like I've been running in one place. Yeah, I've been feeling pretty good. I've been feeling great. I've been feeling how I should, how I really should. Been growing up way too fast, like where is my childhood? Lyrics legendary, like I am Robin Hood. Flow is flowing good, like I am some driftwood. Doing things I said I can when others said I could. Showing up the class studying, I try to make good. I am from the West, but I'm not talking Clint Eastwood, yeah. I was thinking about these times, 2 a.m. in my room, creating music with some rhymes. I was feeling divine, third place took a lot to reach the finish line. But now I'm here, love your Shakespeare. Try to talk one-on-one, but motherfuckers always in their fear. That's a watching down, looking at the fucking atmosphere. Gucci, they be prophetess. He's white and he's speaking fast as he an auctioneer. But I get it, I fit in, I beat in a motherfucker, wanna murder that beat. But I get it, I spending not credit, I get it from Reddit, I read it from Reddit, I get it repetitive, feeling offended. I look at my words again, wanna start shit again. Really wanna start shit again, Run it back to all of those days in your bedroom, recruiting for phase. Eating some chips, they were always late. Fantasizing about buying some jeans, but you got no money. Gloomy days, need to have vitamin C. Took a long time to get back into